Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Hope you are well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve voice change option not available on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Snapchat app, make a video. Here we don't see any option to change voice. To change our voice, we have to go back. Click on Explore and search for voice change. Here you can see a lots of list. Choose one of them. You can change your voice by using this filter. Hello, I'm changing my voice.
Hello, I'm changing my voice.
That's it. So this is how you can solve voice change option which not available on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.